Hello guys, this was one of my makeup look on holiday. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. Let's get right into it. I'm going to be going in with my primer. I did not film the brows because I had to do that off camera to save time. I'm going to be going in with my skin tint, then foundation. Police, police, police. So I'm going to be using my foundation brush to blend that in. So for the skin tint, I try to avoid under my eye area because I'm going to be using the concealer on that area and no foundation or skin tint. So that's the foundation. You can apply it directly on your face, but sometimes I like to use brush. So like I said before, I'm going to be avoiding under my eye area and my forehead as well. I don't like to put too much foundation on my forehead. This foundation looks a bit too light, but I'm going to correct it as I go along. How the face looks like after using the foundation brush. It still looks as if my foundation is too much, so I'm going to be using my beauty blender to blend in and try and correct the excess foundation. So you see how that looks like after using the beauty blender. It's nicely blended now. So that's my concealer underneath. I'm going to be applying the first layer and see how that goes in before deciding if I'll put a second layer or not. Dear my God, if I never rough and rough, I know mine. Cause every night you fall. So just apply a little on my nose and on my forehead. I'm going to let that dry in a little bit before blending. So for this section, you can either use a brush or a beauty blender. Well, it depends on what you're comfortable with, because I know some persons they are very comfortable with brush, and some persons prefer to use a beauty blender. I will usually use a beauty blender, to be honest, but today I'm deciding to go with my brush. So blend that out to create like a contour line. Be applying a setting spray to lock in the foundation and the concealer before setting. I'm setting with the Huda Beauty, so I'll apply it basically in the areas where I applied the bright concealer. You can apply as much as you want, just your satisfaction. My contour, I'm using the powder. I'm using this NARS Laguna bronzer in shade 02. I'm using the same bronzer to contour my nose. While I'm waiting for the powder to set in, I'm going to be doing the eyeshadow. Just a little bit on my forehead as well. So I'll be blending that with my brush.